Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small Temu order that I've had on the side that I've been wanting to show because it's from my larger one. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. And also, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I'm going to show 3 paintings. It was from my previous kind of larger order. Again, I I put my hand in the bag, grabbed 3 of them, and these popped out. And I'm really happy they did because one of them I kind of forgot about it. So 2 of them are smaller and the last one is a larger one. So let me just get everything out of the bag real quick. Ooh, and apologies for the crinkly noise. Get this all out. Put this aside real quick. Excuse me. And just open the painting and the diamond and the standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is pour any diamonds you're going to work on into the tray, get your pen, put it on the wax, press it onto the diamond, press it onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, in case the tray is lost or it breaks or ends up in another room, don't know where it is, your next painting will have you, so don't worry, they always have your back. And these are the diamonds. Oh yay, they're kitted up, meaning they're already all ready to go. They're all in Ziploc bags. You can't just open them and just start painting out of the bags. Myself, I don't do the Ziploc bag method, not well for a while. Because I have a problem of spilling, so I always put them into my little tube storage. But this is fine as well. This is, a method you would like to try or one that you use. Not a problem at all. And I really, really love the earthy tones. As you can see, the dark browns. I believe that's our lovely 310, but I'll have to check. And the most random of pinks there in the back. As you can probably see, let me kind of zoom that a bit. Oh, I really love these tones. Oh, they're so nice. I love them a lot. And this is the painting. And it's kind of like a little Halloween town. That's what I call it, but I'm not sure that's what it is. It was some pumpkins and buildings and some ghosts and bats and the wonderful moon with the clouds. When I saw this one, I thought it was a larger size. But no, I was surprised it's a 20 by 20. Which I'm like, yay, because 20 by 20 is one of my favorite sizes. And apologies, I'm lifting the plastic just to help, settle down the creases that you can see on the canvas. As you can see, it kind of does settle down the creases a bit. I'm a big fan of doing that. They're so cute. I love the pumpkins. And I love pumpkins. So anything with a pumpkin, I'll usually pick it up. I'm a big fan. And I love the style that the little houses and buildings are drawn. I really love that. I'm a big fan of this one. And some information about the painting. It is 44-203-22 and it is a 20 by 20 and it is 15 colors. Ooh, thank goodness. I love when they're 14 or 15. So much easier to work with and a lot faster to decant if you store your diamonds. And for the legend, from the numbers 1 through 8, they are correct. 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 9 to 15, they're all capitalized letters. Sort of in order. They skip B, so it's A, C, D, and so on. But I really love that. And as you can see through the legend, it shows the color of each symbol. And I love when they do that because it kind of helps you if you want to confirm the color you have is the correct one. The legend kind of helps you out. Ooh, I really like this one. Excuse me. And just in case, I will put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. This is in case a nice little Halloween town is more your fan. I don't know why I keep calling it that, but that's what it makes me think of. So, and for my next painting, this one I was real excited that, pulled it out from the bag. I kind of remembered it because I love poppies, the flowers. Well, I love all flowers, but I really, really love poppy flowers. And I remember when I purchased this one, I purchased it because I love the flowers. Let me put the plastic bag aside real quick. And same thing. Your diamonds and your standard kit. And oh my goodness, the first bag I see is our wonderful 3865. That is a lot of white. I believe that might be the background. I think. Ooh, that is a big packet. And all of these wonderful reds. Little random pink. And as you can see here in the middle, let me zoom that for you. As you can see, there's a lot of packets in the middle. They have a lot of reds, nice little light brown. Oh, this is such a pretty palette. I'm a big fan of these colors. And this is the paint. It's a teacup. Of course, it's going to be a teacup, y'all. With flowers. Ooh, double one for me. And it's a wonderful little teacup with a decal of the poppies on it itself and the poppies in the cup as well. And they're kind of leaning, well, they're kind of spreading all over the place. First time I saw it, I thought they were roses. But when I kept really looking at the image, I saw, oh no, that's a poppy. Especially here in the middle and these in the back. But they could be roses as well. Now I'm questioning it. And I honestly believe they're poppies. But they are what you believe they are. They're wonderful red flowers. And I love the teacup decal. And that's what I'm a big fan of. And I was right. It's the majority of that white is going to be in the background. Which I don't mind. A lot of my 20 by 20s have a white background. It's solid color. It could be either white or black. Only once I've seen a gray one. Actually, I've done one that's blue as a background. So I have no problems with that. And the color blocking goes through real quick for me, so I have no problems with it. But I just really love the color of this. And the little petals on the base of the teacup. Oh, I'm a big fan of this. And just for some information about the painting, it is X855. And it's a 20 by 20. And it is 15 colors. Yay, another 15 one. And the legend is all capital letters. There's no numbers or symbols in this one. Ooh, it's kind of hit or miss sometimes. Some legends, they'll be half number, half letters, or all letters. And sometimes it'll be a half numbers and a half symbols. But I'm real excited when it's just all one type, so it's all letters. So you don't have to get confused or worried about, ooh, was that a number? No, it's a letter. So I really love that. I can actually see, this painting is really clear. I can actually see with no issue all the symbols on the cup, all the symbols on the darker areas of the painting. I have no issues either. It has a lighter tone color on it, especially with the dark red and the black in the middle. Ooh, I really like this one. I think this painting makes me think of the holidays, so I'm thinking it might kit it up maybe around November. I'm not too sure. And I love doing 20 by 20s by the side. I just really love this. This is so pretty. I like this one. And just in case you can't see it too clearly, I will put a clear picture here in the middle of the screen so you can see I have a wonderful little teacup with flowers. Is your style as well. So let me just put everything aside real quick. Oops, sorry, I have a table here. If I sound like far away, it's because I was turning around. And it's the last painting. As I said, it's a larger one. So, this is the painting I don't remember. I really don't. And I kept looking at it over and over. I kept thinking, why did I pick this one? Until I saw the trees and I saw the snow and I figured, oh, that might have been why. So, same thing. You just open the painting. A little longer since it's a larger painting. Diamonds and your standard kit. As I said, they always find you. And oh, these diamonds are all kitted up as well. They're all in Ziploc bags, as you can see. It's a larger painting, so it makes sense why there are more packets. Oh, I love the colors. There's a lot of orange, yellow, a lot of really dark reds. That's what the majority of the tone is. A nice peach. That wonderful teal color I love so much. Let me get that a little closer for you. As you can see, all of those wonderful colors. Oh, I really like it. Oh, and I also put, I love when they write it, because then I don't have to. I store my paintings and my diamonds in 2 different locations. Usually the paintings are in a portfolio, diamonds are in a box I have. And I do write the painting identifier, the number that's on top. So I'm glad when they do that, because I don't have to write it. And, ooh, I really do like these. And this is the painting. It's a wonderful kind of, it's a river with some snowbanks, some wonderful kind of pine trees, and I am not too sure if this is sunlight or it's fire. And I want to believe it's sunlight. Yes. I don't want to believe it's a fire. I mean, that'd be kind of, for me, that would be for myself. I mean, that would be such a random painting that would force fire on. No, that's just, I don't believe that's what it is. I just believe it's just color, kind of, to add color effects to it. Because as you can see, and apologies, I'm just fixing the plastic, the sky kind of has color as well. It kind of looks like northern lights a bit. Oh, it could be that. As you can see here, the little green in the sky, the little red, and all of that. And I'm actually double checking with the image on the top. There's a little image on top. No, I believe it's just a color decal. I don't believe it's fire. As I said, I didn't see this. I didn't remember this painting until I was looking at it. And I fell in love, as I said, the snow, the trees, all the color against the dark sky. So I believe it's just a color effect, just to kind of give some lighting to the trees. As you can see, all the trees are lit up. They're doing the light reflection off of it. I believe it might be the sun. Or not the sun, because if this is the night sky, I believe it's just a color effect with the sky. I really do like it, though. I love how the colors work together. The dark with the green and with the trees as well. I love the reflection on the river. As you can see here, it's reflecting the trees. So I'm real curious how it's going to work up. Oh, it's real pretty. I love it. And so some information about the painting. It is LQ1126-1, and it is a 30 by 30, and it's 21 colors. That makes sense because it's a larger painting. And the legend is, ooh, that's real neat. It's all capital letters. So, excuse me, no capitalized letters. There's no symbols, no numbers, or anything like that. Ooh, I'm a big fan of that. Actually, I think I might kit this one up for, again, it's making me think of the holidays. And it's because of the trees, the snow, the sky. It just makes me think more, getting close to winter, you'll start seeing, a lot more of these effects. This is real interesting to me. I really need to look into it. I don't believe it is, but I just really love the color kind of concept on it. So that's, I do love this painting. It's real pretty. And I will kit it up because I've been looking for more. I don't remember if I did purchase a lot of winter paintings. So I actually wouldn't mind kitting this one up. And I do see on the drill field for some of the darker colors, say these colors. As you can see here on the reflection part, there is kind of a colored background for some of the darker colors. As you can see, I don't have any issues with it because it does hide once you place the diamond, and it is on some of the other colors. On some of the white, there's a darker tone, and it's a little circle behind it. And as I said, once you place the diamond on it, you don't really see it. So I have no issue with that. I know it offers kind of help just to, when you're placing your diamonds. I have no problems with that at all. I just really like the painting. And as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen of a nice snowy riverbank with trees. It's your style as well. And we can actually see more clearly the night sky and everything. Mostly because I want to see what that is. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I'm just really excited that I was able just to grab, really, honestly, the one painting I didn't remember because I kind of, as I said, it was a large order. So I just really like how they came out. I'm still waiting for, originally I was waiting for one Temu order, but then I saw one of the kind of brands that Temu sells, kind of where some of their paintings were in lightning deals, so they were really discounted. So I did a second order. So I'm waiting for those two orders to come in. They merged the one order to two, so now I have to wait a little longer to get the order, but I do have a couple more Temu paintings, so don't worry. I'm still going to show some Temu paintings. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all these wonderful paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.